Hi everybody, welcome to Java JDBC interview questions. In this video, we will discuss about all important JDBC questions. What is JDBC? Java JDBC is a Java API. It is used to connect and execute query with the database. It uses drivers to connect and execute query with the database. What is JDBC driver? JDBC driver enables Java application to interact with the database. We have four types of drivers. Those are JDBC ODBC bridge driver, native API driver, network protocol driver, thin driver. Native API driver is the partial Java driver and network protocol driver is the fully Java driver. Thin driver also a fully Java driver. How can you connect to the database? By using JDBC. For that purpose, we have 5 steps. Those are register the driver class, creating connection, creating statement, execute query, close connection. These are the 5 steps. By using these 5 steps only, we can connect with the database. What are JDBC interfaces? Statement, prepared statement, callable statement, connection, result set metadata, database metadata, etc. These are the interfaces in JDBC. What are JDBC classes? Driver manager, blob, club, types, SQL exception. These are some of the classes in JDBC. How many types of JDBC statements are available in? We have 3 types of statements. Those are statement, prepared statement, callable statement. This is one of the important question in JDBC. What is statement? In this, query is compiled each time. Prepared statement. In this, query is compiled only once. So performance is fast. Compared to statement, prepared statement is the best choice. Callable statement. Callable statement interface is used to call the stored procedures and functions. What is connection interface in JDBC? It can be used to transaction management. It provides factory method that returns to the instances of statement, prepared statement, callable statement, and database metadata. What is JDBC result set interface? It represents a row of table. It can be used to get the information from the database. By using result set only, we can get the data. This is the small program to connect with the database. First, class.forName is used to connect to the database. Sorry, it is the registering the driver class. After that, we have to connect the database. That is connection con equal to driver manager dot get connection of JDBC MySQL localhost 3306 Sono root. Here Sono is the database name, root is the username and password, and MySQL localhost number is 3306. It is the fixed one. After that we have to create statement stmt equal to con.create statement. After that we can get the data by using only result set rs equal to stmt dot execute query. We have to write query in that select star from employee. After that we have to close the connection con.close. Thank you for visiting. For more interview questions and government, bank and walk-in jobs information, please visit www.udyoginish.in. Thank you.